Children, the next physical division of India is the coastal plains. The Deccan Plateau is bounded by coastal plains in the east and west. The western and the eastern coastal plains meet at Cape Comorin. The western coastal plains. They are very narrow strip of land. The strip begins in Gujarat in the north and extends across the states of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. The northern part of these plains is called the Konkan coast and the southern part is called the Malabar coast. The backwaters of Kerala are a special feature of the Malabar coast. The eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains are much broader. The northern part is called Northern Circus and the southern part is called Coromandel coast. The rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow in this region. These are east-flowing rivers which drain into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers have formed deltas at their mouths. These deltas are highly fertile. Delta is a landform which is formed at the mouth of a river. The place where a river meets an ocean is called the mouth of the river. Next is the islands. Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are also part of India. The Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea. It is a group of 36 coral islands. A coral island is formed by corals and other organic materials. Corals are skeletons of tiny marine animals called polyps. When the living polyps die, their skeletons are left. Other polyps grow on top of hard skeleton which grows higher and higher, thus forming the coral islands. It lies close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. They are bigger in size and comprise around 572 islands. They lie close to the equator and experience equatorial climate and have thick forest cover. The Great Indian Desert. It is also known as Thar Desert. It lies in the western part of the Rajasthan beyond the Aravalli range and extends into Pakistan. It is dry, sandy and receives scanty rainfall. River Luni flows through its southern part for some part of the year. That is about the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.